the Duke and Duchess of Mertonia.
Informational power alert for the Southeast Peninsula. Local scope only. This message from authorities. The Equestrial Ministry of Infrastructure has issued a mandatory power grid management notice. Effective at 2042 hours FOR all sectors, including the Isla de la Luna offshore research zone. A severe and unexplained voltage drop has occurred at the main ley line generation station. All primary magical conduits are currently offline. Backup generators and secondary runic recharge systems are expected to initiate within 15 minutes. Action mode, shelter. Residents and general public are directed to remain indoors immediately. Close and secure doors and windows. Avoid using elevators or moving between structures. Limit opening of external entryways to preserve safety and lighting. Power safety instructions. Do not attempt to manually recharge appliances with unicorn magic. This may cause a grid backfire. Minimize non-essential magical and electrical use. Transport and evacuation notice. Mainland logistics and the Isla de la Luna automated monorail system are halted. Do not attempt to leave your sector. Earth ponies may be requested to assist civil authorities with manual utility operations. Follow official directives only.
Very sorry. You came out of nowhere.
Easy friend, easy foe, the pony wonders. I can assure you, I am no friend. I am Lord Derek, and I will take what should have been mine long ago.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Peninsula Police Department. This is not a drill. An unidentified and extremely hostile biological threat has been reported in the uninhabited woods beyond the mainland docks. Local enforcement units responding to the blackout at the harbor conduit have ceased all audio transmissions. Preliminary reports from Coast Guard observation posts indicate large, multi-ton structures or biological masses moving through the tree line. Do not attempt to investigate. Do not attempt to defend your property. Critical law enforcement directives. Extinguish all refuge lanterns. The entities or entities are highly sensitive to sudden flashes of light and magical signatures. Barricade access points. Move heavy furniture against all ground floor doors and cellar hatches. Stay away from windows. Several residential structures along the perimeter have reported massive, blunt force kinetic impacts to exterior walls. The Peninsula Police Department has ceased operational broadcast. Evacuation is no longer possible. Seek higher ground immediately.
This emergency broadcast transmission is issued by the Equestria States Army for the Peninsula and surrounding sectors. At 21:04 hours, a malicious and highly coordinated manipulated power outage was executed across all primary grid networks. Multiple critical systems are degraded. Automated containment fences are offline. Biological assets classified as prehistoric apex predators have breached perimeter security. All civilian personnel, researchers, and local pony populations must act immediately to protect life. Action mode, shelter. First seek shelter now. Do not attempt to leave the peninsula via the main roads. Main road travel increases exposure to predators and prevents emergency units from clearing and securing routes. Move indoors or to an approved enclosed bunker location if available. Choose the most interior room possible. Stay away from windows, exterior doors, and ventilation intakes facing the perimeter. If you are already inside, remain inside. Do not open doors for anyone unless you are instructed by unseen emergency authorities. Second, extinguish lights. Predators are highly sensitive to artificial illumination and motion. Turn off all non-essential lighting immediately. Do not use flashlights, reflective devices, or bright signals. If any lights must remain on for safety, minimize intensity and keep beams pointed away from openings. Do not create sweeping movement across doorways or hallways. Stay low and still. Third, do not use magic. Unicorn horn illumination and spellcasting signatures attract the assets. Mask your magical aura immediately. Cease all spellcasting, summoning, or aura projection. Do not generate visible or audible magical effects near doors, windows, or reflective surfaces. Use only standard, non-illuminating tools for safety measures. Fourth, silence. Earth ponies and Pegasi must remain completely grounded and quiet. Do not shout. Do not run. Do not stamp or strike objects that create vibration or movement. Keep children and animals calm and motionless. If you must communicate, do so in whisper level without signaling. Fifth, comply with inbound emergency operations. The Equestria States Army has mobilized air reconnaissance and Royal Guard heavy artillery divisions. Airborne Pegasus squadrons and heavily armed ground battalions are currently inbound. Orders are absolute. Extermination of all uncontained assets has been authorized. Do not approach military personnel. They are authorized to use lethal force on any moving target outside designated bunkers. Remain in your shelter until you receive official clearance. If you can safely do so, secure room entrances. Close and lock interior doors. Block gaps without using bright light. Prepare for sustained power loss by conserving any remaining battery sources for emergency needs only.